Hi, and welcome to all beautiful people around the globe. This is your sister Bang Rose doing something. I believe this is back for gathering some woods and make a fire outside in our backyard. And let's see, I guess we are making a dried fish with tomatoes and some spices. It's just a very unique way of cooking outside when it's warm weather, obviously. And I can't do this during winter, man. I wish I can do around the season, but oh well. So there I use a margarine, aka butter. So I think the pan is very hot. Oh, and I put also a oil with margarine or butter. Look at that, it's kind of dark, huh? I think the fire is so high. I believe that is a minced garlic, correct? So what I do, the garlic though, I mince them. I clean them and mince them and freeze them. So that way it's easier to pull and to use whenever it's convenient. There you have it. You got brown garlic and you added dried fish. It's a dried fish. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a dried fish, and you're watching a Filipina cooking outside of her backyard with a lot of smoke. She doesn't care. And with her dried fish, I think she might be forgot to cook the dried fish first, and then I think so. Oh well, we'll see how it come up. You gotta be kidding me. I think she forgot how to cook this kind of thing. Oh well. We called it it's cabeche with the dried. It's supposed to be a dried fish, and then you fry them normally, but I think she's doing it this backward. It's weird, but we'll see. I'm like putting a reaction on my video last fall. So by the way guys, I'm doing this to clearing up, deleting all my files, and my phone needed to be cleaning up all the old videos and stuff, so might as well, hey, I'm sharing you. So I believe I am putting spices, whatever, and now I'm adding a red tomato. I do believe that red tomatoes, or what kind of, it's from our garden. Is it cooked? Your dried fish is cooked? I have no idea. We'll see. Oh, I know what you're doing right now. You are putting the red tomatoes to the juice, simmer down, and then boil it down. So that makes sense. Okay, so mix. I think she's just experimenting. No, I'm just kidding, guys. I was hungry in that time and like, hey, because I cannot do that inside the house. It creates super smoky and smells. So, by the way, if Asian will cook, oh, forget it. They're so messy and a lot of smoke will create. Oh, there we go. Did you notice what she's doing? The charcoal, that stick that used to has a fire and there's a charcoal there. So I do believe charcoal is very healthy for you. So there you go. But I did not eat the charcoal though. But I believe that's what I did that. So now it's simmered down. The video was kind of long, so I cut some of the simmer down and cooking out there. Whoa, now what? Under the apple tree. And there's nothing. Nobody can beat that. Look at that. Brown rice with escabeche, dried fish, tomato, with lettuce, with apple. Woohoo! I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. More power. God bless.